Welcome to our quick daily at-home workout. We are doing the best 10-minute workout. Is this the best 10-minute workout that you could do? Well, it is because you're doing it, but simply the best workout is the one that you'll do. We just got a nice, simple step jack happening here. I'm just gonna do a few exercises that bring me joy, always boost my mood, always elevate my energy, definitely contribute to building strength, balance, flexibility, more importantly, consistency and discipline just by showing up day in and day out. We can always achieve that. As we get close to wrapping up our 28-day at-home workout challenge, I want you to consider the movements, the exercise that you most enjoy so you'll keep doing them. There is a lot of information out there that we need to do. Zone 2 training and strength training. So much work, information. Stretch that step jack out a bit. And there is some good data that yes, we do want to do a lot of different workouts, but really find the movement, find the exercises that you enjoy and stay consistent to that. Build on it, try new things when you can, but just move your body in ways that you enjoy. That's the way to stay consistent. If you're not enjoying it, you don't like it, you're not going to stick with it. Little skip march, my most favorite of movements. You can't be unhappy when you're skipping. Light on the feet. If the skip isn't working, how about just a little march? If there's some kind of activity that you always want to try, maybe yoga or swimming, cycling, give it a bit of, don't just try it one time. You never know. Because we're new at something, it's uncomfortable. Brace discomfort. Give it a few goes. You never know. You might find some new activity, sport, exercise that you actually really love if you give it a little bit of time and energy. Okay, I want to move laterally. I love this side shuffle. We're gonna do a bit of cardio today. Mobility, strength. We can get so much done in simply 10 minutes. And for me today, this is the best workout because as I said, it's the one I'm doing. Give it that mindset. This is the best thing I could be doing right now. Build presence and awareness in everything you do. It does become amazing. February's coming up soon. Gonna start a new challenge. We're gonna level up. If you're here with me now, I hope you'll consider keep moving laterally, keep moving, and if you have to stop and tie your shoe, do so. Keep moving. We're gonna do some more challenging HIIT workouts. Morning movement, but also something that can really push us for the month. Increase our cardiovascular endurance. And they will be the best workouts also. If we have that mindset, let's take our lateral movement and squat a bit. As deep as you like. I'm doing about a half squat. Just build a little strength in the legs. Just keep going. There are these wonderful exercise physiologists tell us, what's the perfect workout? This is exactly what we're supposed to do every week, every day. 10,000 steps. Zone 2 twice a week, strength training 4 times a week. I look to the blue zones, the longest lived people and the things that they do, why do they live so long? It's a number of things, but it's natural movement. Just moving constantly throughout their day. In Okinawa, the Japanese, it's just sitting on the floor and getting up 80, 100 times a day. Functional fitness, natural movement. And certainly when we do the things that we enjoy and incorporate more and more, we build up our leg strength, our cardiovascular endurance. Going up the stairs becomes fun. We just take on new challenges because we feel so good. Going to cold swimming pools. Okay. We did this the other day too. I really enjoyed this. Step back. Bring your knee up. So we're building some balance here. Incredible strength. Just focus on one leg at a time. Find your flow and bring full attention and awareness into each and every movement. And if you stumble like I just did, brilliant. It's not how often we fall. How often do we get back up? Last one. Ooh. Feeling the hips? I do. Let's go. Other side. Ooh, this is more of a challenge for me today. Excellent. Step back, drive the knee. Step back, drive it up. Could even come down into a lunge all the way with this exercise would be brilliant. Like every time we do a workout, modify and do what works best for you. There is no best, perfect workout, of course. Movement's the key. Movement over medicine, as one of our dear community members says all the time. Whoa, one more. That was quite tricky on that side. Sometimes our balance, it's just off certain days. Sometimes we have bad mind days, just like a bad hair day. Accept it. My mind's going berserk today. My balance isn't great today. That's okay. Acceptance of the reality. This too shall pass. No problem. Twist. These Russian twists engage our core. There's a lot of people commenting during the core workout. Everything we're doing, there's an element of the core in it. If we focus and bring attention to it, there's specific core exercise, of course, but everything does come from our core. This is, it helps us with balance and stability to really engage. This is great for the lower back, particularly first thing in the morning. I love this movement. I'm going to take it a little bit deeper. Twist a little bit more. Longer workouts are great, of course, but what can 10 minutes do? And I certainly know for me, 10 minutes will always boost my mood and elevate my energy. And that, if that's all it does, it's pretty amazing. Okay. If you gotta, so this is a skier jack. If the jumping isn't working for you, just go to the step jack. I just want to get the heart rate up a little bit more as we come to an end here. Feeling good. Heat up the body. Let's just go with this for a moment. Keep going. I'm fixing my equipment. Keep going. Okay, and just bounce with me for a second. Feeling good? I hope so, because I sure am. Just keep finding ways to move throughout your day. Incorporate all forms of different types of movement. Just a few moments in mountain pose. And let's just be. Maybe you put your hand on your heart, on your stomach. Feel the beating of your heart. Your stomach as it extends when you breathe in, contracts when you breathe out. Bring all your attention into that. Oh, you shake that out. Well done to you. Amazing. Life is truly beautiful. If you choose to see it that way, no matter what else is going on, find the beauty in everything. I am grateful for you. I will see you again tomorrow. Thanks for showing up.